welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Stalker 2 Cost of Hope game crashing, not opening, not launching, lagging, freezing, black screen, stuck on loading screen or several other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. Next method is to perform power cycle. Press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. Open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, then choose clear persistent storage. Next is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache. At last, confirm it by pressing yes. Next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, click on test network connection, wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next is to check for Stalker 2 Cost of Hope update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for update option. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space. Next is to reinstall Stalker 2 Cost of Hope game. For that, press Xbox button, controller, move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select Stalker 2 Cost of Hope game, press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Stalker 2 Cost of Hope official website and download the game. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.